Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you how to get rid of brackets, like over here and over there. Now for that you need to know a couple of things. First of all, you need to know the order of operations, that's the order in which you do things. Now, you always do brackets first, then you do squares and square roots, then you do times divided by, then you do plus and minus. And all of these things you do from the left to the right, just how we read. I'm going to start with this example. Here I have, the question is 4 times 2 plus 3. So the first thing I want to say to you is that there's actually a times here. It's 4 times the brackets, but the times you don't have to write down. The same as with an example like this. If you have 4y, it's actually 4 times y. And you don't have to write down the times sign, so also not for brackets. So if you have 3 and then something in brackets, that's the same as 3 times. That's something in brackets. Yeah, so the times symbol is not always there. But here there is a times in between. So 4 times 2 plus 3. Now according to the order of operations, you first have to do 2 plus 3. That's 5. So you get 4 times 5 equals 20. So that's not so difficult. But if you go to the next example, 4 times x plus 3, you can't do that. Because first you have to do x plus 3, and we cannot do x plus 3 because x is a letter and 3 is a number. So we have a bit of a problem here. So I'm going to tell you a way to solve this without doing the brackets first. Let's take a look at this example again. First we added 2 and 3, and then we did it times 4, but there's also another way. You can also do 4 times 2, that's 8. Then you can do 4 times 3, that's 12. And you see you get the same answer. So you actually don't have to do the brackets first. I mean, if you can do the brackets first, that's a lot easier. But you can also do this number times 2 and this number times 3. Let me show you that with a different color. So you do 4 times 2 and 4 times 3, and then you add it and you get the same answer. So that's actually something we can do here. So we're going to do 4 times x and 4 times 3. So 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 3 is 12. So this is how you work out those brackets, right? All of these questions, they use this word. They use the word simplify. Now simplify means make easier or make smaller. So if you have something with brackets and something without brackets, the thing without brackets is it's called easier or smaller, right? Because there are no brackets there. Let's do another example. I have 2 times p minus 5. Alright? So if you want to work out the brackets, you have to do 2 times p and 2 times minus 5. So 2 times p is 2p, and 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. So this is how you work out the brackets. You need this for paragraph 2 of chapter 8. Right? I'm going to do a couple more examples, because in the beginning I told you I'm going to tell you how to work this out. So I'll show you again. You do 2 times x, right? And you do 2 times 7. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 7 is 14. And there's a minus here, so the minus also goes over there. Yeah? Here I have another example, this time with a fraction. It's not actually more difficult, it's just a bit more annoying than it is. So we're going to multiply a half times y, and we're going to multiply a half times 4. So a half times y is a half y, and a half times 4 is 2. So you have a half y plus 2. And this is how you work out brackets. Thank you for watching.